Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here again. Okay, so today is going to be another straight pour, my favorite. But I'm trying to do something different with the background. So we know that the phthalo blue in basics and that the dioxazine purple in basics both work really well for becoming the background. They both dry very dark. It's almost black. So I kind of want to have my background be a reddish color, but all of the reds that I have are either transparent or semi-transparent. So what I did was I mixed some red. I mixed some Artist Loft Deep Red, which is semi-opaque or semi-transparent, however you want to look at it, with some dioxazine purple, which is an opaque, and a little bit of Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White to just brighten it up a little bit. So it's not a straight red, but it may give me a different effect. So I added some opaques to that. Hopefully that will help weigh it down a little bit. We'll see what happens. So let's put some paint in a cup, shall we? This is an 11 by 14. That will need about 5.5 ounces of paint. But since I'll be laying down a base coat, I'm only going to do 3 ounces for the pour cup. So the color that I want to be my background, I pour first. And I dripped, but it doesn't matter. Okay. Let's do the blue next. It's sinking. That is a good sign. That is what you want, y'all. And see, the cells are already starting to pop up. Okay, we have 3 ounces. Bueno. Put down a base coat. One thing I've started doing with my straight pours is using my base coat color, the same color as the color that I want to fall to the background. I feel like it gives me better overall coverage of my canvas. When I was using white, the edges of my canvas never really felt like they were covered. So when I just got interrupted there, I'll try to remember where I left off. So yeah, I didn't feel like the edges were getting covered. They had a very pale effect because the paints were mixing with the white base coat. So if I make my base coat the same color, it really helps to give a very solid background without white cells popping up. And alrighty. Ooh, my white seem to already pop up on me. That's a bummer. Noted. So the white, or the yellow didn't stay sunken down there long enough to stay mixed. All right, let's see if we can make something happen anyway. I think I'll be able to get something out of this right here. I'm gonna catch this corner and stretch that out. And I'm recentering the paint. I'm grabbing the schmutz. Where'd it go? Tilting ever so slowly. Okay. All right. I don't foresee any more cells popping up because my yellow didn't stay sunken. So I will still let this sit for a few minutes just to see if anything happens. But I think this is going to be it. And if it is, I'm psyched. I like this piece a lot. This might be my favorite in a while. All right, back in a few. Okay, here it is. I love this section right here. It just pops off the painting like it's glowing. I did get some more cells pop up. Wasn't expecting those. A neat little curl of the blossom type cells. This may continue to change a little bit, but I don't think it's going to change a whole lot. And yeah, I'm very happy with this one. I like this one a lot. So I hope that you learned something. I did. Oh, I was being distracted by people coming in and out in the beginning of the video. The colors that I used were cadmium yellow, light hue, and basics. That was the yellow, and the blue is Artist Loft light blue, in case I didn't mention those. So there it is. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share and subscribe. Check out the description box for links to go make some art on Facebook, my website, my PayPal tip jar, and the Amazon store. Anything that you purchase off of Amazon, if you enter through my store, I will get a small commission of and no extra charge to you. So if you are buying a Hot Rod Speedster off of Amazon, please think about your girl. That would be sweet. Anyway, y'all, I hope you have a beautiful day. Go make some art.